welcome to Spirit in Nature Essences for Perfect Well-Being. This is number 13 in a series of 20 videos introducing you to our line of flower essences according to their placement in our Essence Spectrum chart. Today, we'll be talking about avocado essence for good memory. And in fact, if you think about the avocado oil, it's considered a brain food, which is no coincidence. For good memory, avocado essence is for people who want to develop greater awareness and cultivate a love of learning. Also for the daydreamer. It's good for children to remember chores and homework, and for undertaking creative projects, and for pets to assist in training and responsiveness. Avocado essence enhances the following qualities: mental focus, remembering details, joy in challenging the mind, taking exams, doing puzzles and word games, new projects, greater awareness, an attitude of now I get it, and lastly, for learning from mistakes. The benefits of Spirit in Nature essences are greatly enhanced when using them with affirmations. If you'd like to now, please repeat after me the Avocado Essence Affirmation. I accept willingly all that comes to me, for all things are divine gifts of love. I accept willingly all that comes to me, for all things are divine gifts of love. Thank you for visiting us online at www.spiritinnature.com with 2 dashes, spirit-in-nature.com. We wish for you perfect well-being.